figured I'd tell you about a little keypad trick that I found for a YAESU FT-840. There's actually two keypad tricks I found for this particular radio, and I figured I would show them to you. And it's pretty cool, to say the least. I figured I'd show these. I know some people out there got the YAESU FT-840, and perhaps some of you may be interested in seeing this keypad trick. So anyways, I'll show you how to do this very shortly. So basically, turn the radio off and you hold the A, B and M and VFO, and you turn the radio on, and then you get this particular LCD checkup. It checks every single segment of the LCD display, and then you get the firmware version. Pretty cool. Now, the next keypad trick is very cool indeed. Just watch this. Again, turn off the radio, same two buttons, turn around, should go through the same things again, should go through our LCD checkup, and then after that you press your up button, and then you get "Hello, YAESU Company Limited FT-840. FT-840 YAESU FT-840 and goodbye." And then the LCD started blinking. Woohoo! Thought I'd show you that. I think that's pretty cool. I've looked a little bit online for this, and I don't think anybody has found this cute little keypad trick. So you've seen it first on Radio 63. Thought you'd enjoy this. All the best. And if I find anything else on the YAESU 840, I'll let you know. Anyway guys, this is the YAESU FT-840. All the best. We're gone.